Faster. Faster.
Everyone, our school is having a family camp day this weekend.
Family camp day? My dad is coming for sure.
Really?
My whole family is coming too.
That sounds great.
Are you coming with your family?
I hope so. Maybe my mom and dad can come too. I really hope Dad says yes.
Tom, are you okay?
Yeah, I guess so.
Why have you been so quiet today?
There's something I want to ask. Dad, Mom,
Yes, Tom?
our school is having family camp this weekend.
Family camp. Let me read it.
It looks like a fun event.
Is it this weekend?
Yes, Dad.
I'm afraid I have a lot of work to finish this weekend.
I'm busy too.
I understand.
Maybe we can go next time.
Maybe.
Tom?
Good night.
Good night. He doesn't look happy.
I know.
Wait a minute.
What's that?
Dad, I think you should read this.
Read what? I didn't know he felt like this.
Neither did I.
Good morning, Tom.
Morning, Mom. Morning, Dad. You both look tired. Dad,
Yes?
are you really too busy?
Tom.
Can't you spend a little time with me?
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
I understand. It's okay. I should leave now.
Have a nice day.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.
Maybe next year.
He looked really sad.
I know.
Every child is here with their family. Except me.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning. Maybe I'll just sit and watch. That's okay.
Tom,
Oh, hi, Oliver.
Morning, Tom.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
where are your parents?
They're busy today.
Busy. Oh.
Maybe they'll come later.
Really? Later? Or maybe they're not coming at all.
That's not true.
You're always here by yourself.
Stop it.
You were alone last year, and the year before too, and the year before too.
That's enough. Tom! Mom?
Tom! We're here!
Dad!
Sorry we're late.
You came?
Of course we did.
Mom!
Come here.
We would never forget you.
Thank you. This is the best day ever. Come on, Dad.
I'm coming. Right behind you.
Good morning, Ben.
He's a nice kid.
No, he isn't.
Really?
Welcome, everyone. We're happy to see all of you today.
Let's do our best and have fun together. We're taking home the trophy today.
Really?
I heard your dad was an amazing athlete.
No way.
Back in high school, I was one of the fastest runners.
Seriously? How fast were you?
I could run faster than the school bus.
I don't believe that.
Nobody believed me back then either.
Today, every game is about teamwork.
That's easy for me. I even won 5 different games in one day.
Now you're just making stories.
It's true. Just believe me.
I don't.
Dad has never been that fast.
Hey,
See? Even Mom is laughing at you.
Our first challenge is ready. The three-legged race.
this one is perfect for us.
I have a bad feeling.
Let's win that trophy together.
Dad, please don't make me look silly.
Relax. We've got this.
Just follow my steps.
No, you should follow mine.
Dad! We have to beat Ben's team.
We have to finish before them.
Have you ever done a three-legged race?
Not once.
What?
but I watched plenty of videos. Let's do this. Go!
Stay next to me. Keep moving.
Left, right.
Ow! Are you serious?
They're already falling behind.
They started making mistakes before the race even began.
Ben's team is in front. Not for long. Come on, move faster!
Slow down a little.
Why did we fall?
Because you moved too fast.
Me?
Yes.
Walk at the same speed as me.
I'm trying. You keep pulling me. I know what to do now.
No, you don't. Ow! Tom! Why are there so many bees?
Oh no! Run!
I'm running.
What happened? The bees!
Don't stop.
I won't. We made it.
Dad?
Yes? Why are you staring at me? What is it?
Look at your face.
My face? Whoa. Well, we still won.
That's true. It wasn't our best looking victory.
A victory is a victory. Congratulations! The winners are Mike and Tom.
Congratulations, Tom!
Yes! We did it!
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next stories. Bye.